Okay, class, what you have to do here, you have to find GCD by factorization method. And here you have example 390, 702 and 468. What simple and easy method? What you have to do, you have to find out the factors, prime factors of these numbers. 390, 702 and 468. 390, 702 and 468. Please turn off your mic. Okay, now what you will do, you will find out, first of all, you will find out the prime factors of 390. Okay, prime factors of 390. We will start. You have prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. So start from 2. Okay, start from 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. You will write the quotient here. Okay. Then 1 will carry to the next number. It will become 19. So it will goes 9 times. 2 into 9 is 18. Okay, why we are writing here 9? 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. You will write your quotient here. That is 9. Okay. Now 2 into 9 is 18. 1 is left here. It will move on to the next number. And your next number will become 10. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Turn off your video. Sorry, sound. Okay, you will get your questions here. Now here you have 5, so you cannot divide it by 2. So you will pick your next number, that is 3. Okay, now divided by 3. So 3 into 6 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. And 1 will be left here. You will carry it 1 to the next number. Your next number will become 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, then again you cannot solve it by 3 because 5 cannot be solved by 3. So you will move on to the next number, that is 5. So 5 into 1 is 5 and then 15. So 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, then again, no need to write. Do not need to write it in notebook. Just listen to me very carefully. Divide this 13 by 13 because 13 has only two numbers, two divisors, 1 and 13. So you will divide it by 13. So 13 into 1 is 13. You will stop here because you will get your question here 1. Okay, next is 702. Okay, start from 2. Start from 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 will be carried to the next number. 2 into 5 is 2. And then 2 into 1 is 2. What you have to do, you have to divide your number completely in each step. In each step, you have to divide your number completely. Okay. So here at the end, you have 1. So you cannot solve it by 2. So move on to the next number, that is 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. Again, 3 into 1 is 3. And here 2 will be left. You will carry this 2 to the next number. It will become 21. So 3 into 7 is 21. Okay. Next is you will pick again 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 2 will be left here. You will carry 2 to the next number and 3 into 9 is 27. 3 into 9 is 27. Okay. Next is again you will multiply it divided by 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And again you get 13 here. So simply what you will do, you will divide the number by 13 and here your quotient is 1. So you will stop it here. Okay, next move on to the next number, that is what? 468. 468. This is method number 2. Okay, this is method number 2. This is method number 2. Okay, you will divide it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. Now again you will divide it by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 will be carried to the next number and your next number will become 14. So 2 into 7 is 40. Okay, now you will divide it by 3. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 2 will be left here, so you will carry 2 to the next number, it will become 27. So 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. Okay, every time at the end your number must be completely divided. If at the end you will get any reminder, it's mean your divisor was not right. Okay, now 3, we will divide 39 again by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. Turn off your mic. Okay, now at the last 13 is left, so you can divide 13 by 13. 13 ones are 13. So students, if you looked here very carefully, what I did, basically I start from the lowest prime number and then move on to the largest one. Okay, always you have to do this. Okay, never start from the bigger number first. Okay, always start from the smaller number and then move on to the bigger number. Okay, so these all are the factors of your given number. Okay, here is the answer. Okay, here is the answer. Now, you have to write factors of 390. Factors of 390 are 1, 2, 3, 5 and 13. Similarly, factors of 702 are 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 13. And you have to multiply it, okay? All the numbers will be multiplied with each other. In factorization, you always multiply your factors. And the factors of 468 are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 13. Okay, now common factors. What are common factors? 1, 2, 3 and 13. 1, 2, 3 and 13 are the common factors here. So students, your common factors of 390, 708 and 468 are 1, okay, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 13. So here are the common factors. Now in the next step, what you have to do, you will multiply these common factors. Okay, you have to multiply these common factors. Here, after multiplying, you will get your answer here is 78. Sorry students, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, 6 multiplied by 13 will become 78. Okay, is that clear? G.C.D by division method. Last method is G.C.D by division method. So in division method, this is very difficult method. So listen to me very carefully. Example number 1, you have two numbers 198 and 360. You have two numbers 198 and 360. So what you will do first, you will divide the largest number. This is your last method, G.C.D by division method. Okay, last method. Divide the largest number by the smallest number. What you have to do, divide the largest number by the smallest number. Here the largest number is 360 and the smaller one is 198. So what you will do, you will divide 360 by 198 like this, like this. 198 into 1 is 198. Okay, 198 into 1 is 198, and after subtracting this you will get your remainder here, that is 162. So here 198 is your divisor. Okay, 198 is your divisor, 1 is your quotient, 360 is your dividend, and 162 is your remainder. Okay, now in step number 2, what you have to do, take divisor as a new dividend and remainder as a new divisor. Okay, and step number 3, I will explain this step number 2 and step number 3 by the help of again my notebook. So is this clear to you? This is your method number 3, GCD by division method. Okay, now listen. What you have to do, first of all, you have to pick your divisor and dividend here. Your smaller number will be your divisor. Your larger number will be your dividend. And you have to divide it by like this. Okay, inside the box you will write your dividend, that is 360. Here you will write your divisor, that is 198. Turn off your video. Hamna, what's wrong with you? Okay, now 198 into 1 is 198. Okay, now I will subtract it here, and after subtracting what I will get here, I will take 1 from this number, it will become 5, and this will become 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Then I will also carry it from this number, and this number will become 15. This is 15. Okay, this is 15, and 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, 15 minus 9 is 6. No, you do not do this. Just listen to me very carefully. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, students, in division method, what you will do here, if you get your remainder here, listen to me very carefully. If you will get your remainder here, 162, what you will do, you will make another box here. Okay, you will make another box. Okay, please listen this method very carefully. Okay, you will make another box here, and your remainder, this is your remainder. Now this will become your divisor for the next step. This will become your divisor for the next step, and your previous step divisor. Okay, this was the previous step divisor. This will become your dividend, that is 198. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to divide 198 by 162. So this is your step number 1, and this is your step number 2. Okay, what you have to do, divide 168 by 198. So sorry, divide 198 by 162. So 162 into 1 is 162. Now I will subtract it here. 8 minus 2 is 6, and 9 minus 6 is 3, and here you will get nothing. Since you will get remainder here, okay, if you get remainder here, again what you will do, you will continue the step again. You will continue the step again, and this will become your step number 3. This is your step number 3. So your step number 2 remainder will become your divisor for step number 3. This will become your divisor, and your previous step, okay, this is the divisor of your previous step. This will become your dividend. Okay, this will become your dividend. Your last step remainder will become your divisor, and your last step divisor will become your dividend. Now what you have to do, you have to divide this 162 by 36. So 36 into 4 will become 144. 36 into 4 will become 144. Now what you will do, I will subtract it again here, and after subtracting, what will be the answer? I will carry it 1 from here. This will become 5, and this will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, and 5 minus 4 will become 1 here. 5 minus 4 will become 1 here. Oh my God, students, I'll get the remainder here, 18. Again, I get the remainder here, 18. Now, I have to proceed it further. I have to proceed it further. Yes, it is very funny method. Hadika, you are very right. It is very funny. No doubt is one of the funniest method, that you have to pick the divisor and dividend, dividend and divisor. It is very funny, no doubt. Okay, again you'll get the remainder here. So what you will do, you will make the box. Okay, you will make another box. Now what you have to do, your last step remainder will become divisor for the next step. This is your next step number 4, and your last step divisor, okay, last step divisor will become your dividend. Okay, Alina, I will explain it with the help of slide as well. Okay, please do not get confused. Okay, now 18 multiplied by 2 will become 36. 18 multiplied by 2 will become 36. After subtracting, I will get no remainder here. So I will stop here. Okay, why I'm stopping here? Because I get no remainder here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to decide your GCD. You have to decide your GCD. 1 minute, students. You have to decide your GCD here. So what you will do, you will pick the divisor because D means divisor. So you have to pick the divisor here. Yes, Zen, finally. Okay, this is your quotient. Okay, you have nothing to do with the quotient. You have nothing to do with the quotient. You will pick 18 as your GCD. Okay, you will pick the last step divisor. This is your last step divisor. This is your last step divisor, and you will pick your last step divisor as your GCD. So your answer will be 18. Your answer will be 18. Yes, Alina Alam, it's finished now. So long, but so interesting, beta. It is too interesting. Do not get confused. It is too interesting. Okay, why I'll pick 18 here? Because I have to find out the GCD divisor. So this is your divisor. Your last step divisor will become GCD. Okay, here is a method again. Okay, here is a method again. What you have to do, you have to divide this 360 by 198. So you will do this like 198 into 1 is 198. Then you will get your remainder here, that is 162. Then divide 162 by your previous step divisor, that is 198. So 162 into 1 is 162. Then subtract this number and you will get your remainder here, 36. Okay, get your remainder here, you will get your remainder here, 36. So what you will do, you will divide this 36 by previous step divisor, that is 162. So 36 multiplied by 4 will become 144. Okay, it will become 144. So after subtracting, you will get the remainder here, 18. So what you will do, you will divide this 18 by your last step divisor, that is 36. So 18 multiplied by 2 is 36 and 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. So you will get here 0 as a remainder. So your GCD of 198 and 360 is 18. GCD of 198 and 360 is 18. So students, I'm going to end my lecture here. This is the end of lecture. Thank you all